Everybody in science in 8th grade. We have a really cool thing here today. I wanted to show you the difference in shadows. So watch what happens when I click and drag. If I go closer, will the shadow get bigger or smaller? Let's find out. It went bigger. Look at that. What if I change my object? Do you think I can? It won't let me. Guess what? We're going to do something different. We're going to go outside. See? Look at that. We're outside. Now I have a question for you. What time is it right here on this clock? Do you know? Waiting for someone to shout out the right answer. Did you say 7? Whew, thank goodness. I'm going to have time go forward. Oh my gosh, what is happening with the shadow? Everybody stop. What time is it? Did you say 9 a.m.? You know it is. Guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to go to noon. And I want you to tell me right now before I go there, will the shadow be short and fat or long and skinny? Let's find out. Oh my goodness. I'm at noon. Do you see a short and fat shadow? Because I sure do. Guess what? Let's go farther. Let's see what it looks like when you guys are home at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Boom, 3 o'clock. You'd be home from school relaxing and the shadow would start to go to the other side. Do you notice in the morning it was over here and now it's over here? Let's go farther. Oh, it's getting late. What time is it now? Looks like dinner time. Oh, the shadow's getting long. The sky is getting darker. We're going. Wow, look how long that shadow is. Next, guess what? It's night. Do you know there are shadows at night too? There are. The sun is reflecting, remember that word, off the moon. And look at the shadow right now. You see where it is? It's just like when the sun came up. And then as the moon travels and gets to midnight. Right there, midnight. Look at the same shadow as it was at noon. I have a question. Midnight, middle of the night, AM or PM? I hope you said AM. 12 a.m. We're sleeping. PM, eating lunch at school. We're at home now. Let's keep going. We're going to go farther. Look at the shadow. It's changing to the other side. So, during the day, during night, shadows. Because light stops when it hits an opaque item, and then on the other side is the shadow because the opaque item is blocking the light. And then you have a cool shadow. So what I want you to do as we're thinking about shadows is with your parents, I want you to go out and I want you to see your shadow in the morning, at noon, and maybe at dinner time in the same spot. And tell me if you notice the shadow shifts just like our shadow here on the screen. Look at that. And you know what's going to be super exciting? I'm going to make it bright again. Boop. I hope you guys have enjoyed our little mini lesson on shadows and liked watching the shadow go back and forth. I hope you guys are doing a great job from your house, from my office. I can't wait to see you guys again soon. Have a great day.